Okay, let's talk about comments. Comments are notes in a program's code which explain to humans what commands do. So if you have written some instructions and it's not very clear what they do, or it's not obvious, then you can put comments to explain. Comments are not executed in Python. And you can create a comment by starting with a hash, this symbol here, at the beginning of the comment. Python will ignore whatever you type from the hash to the end of the line. So for example, here we have a command saying print hello, then we have a comment here beginning with hash, then we have another print statement. So when you execute this, then it just prints hello and it prints the last statement. This one here is ignored. Okay. You can also have a comment at the end of a statement, and again Python will ignore what you write from the hash to the end of the line. So we have a print command here followed by a comment. So this part here will be ignored. If we execute this, then only this part will be printed. So if I execute this, it shows only this will print. Okay. You can also have a comment that runs for more than one line. You do this by enclosing the comment within triple quote marks. So once again we have a print command here and a print at the end, and in between we have multiple lines which are a comment. So by including these triple quotation marks at the beginning and at the end of the comment, then this becomes a comment. Or to put it differently, the triple quotation marks begins the comment and another triple quotation marks to end the comment, to tell Python where our comment ends. Okay, so this part will print, this will print, and this will be ignored. Now just a note here, do not use comments unnecessarily, such as to explain short code that is already obvious. Doing that will just make your program unnecessarily long and can be irritating to other programmers who are reading your program expecting to find useful information by just finding obvious comments. So try it out, experiment, write a program with some print statements, put in some comments between the statements or at the end of the statement, and also try the multiple line comments. Okay, thank you. See you in the next lesson.